welcome! Today, come and join me to watch my urban gardening journey. I decided to plant tomato, okra, mung beans, eggplant, and green beans. In the first week, I prepared the soil by loosening it and making small holes for the bean seeds. I gently placed each seed into the soil and covered them lightly. After planting, I watered the area just enough to keep it moist. At this stage, I felt excited because it marked the beginning of my planting journey, hoping the seeds would grow well. By the second week, small sprouts began to appear. The seeds had successfully germinated, and tiny green shoots pushed out of the soil. I continued to water the plants regularly and made sure they received enough sunlight. Seeing the first signs of growth made me feel proud and motivated to take care of them more. In the third week, the sprouts grew taller and developed their first true leaves. The bean plants looked healthier and more stable. I made sure the area was free from weeds so the plants would not compete for nutrients. The plants were now more noticeable, showing clear signs of strong development. By week 4, the bean plants had grown even more leaves and their stems became sturdier. They were now taller and greener. I continued giving them the right amount of water and sunlight. This stage showed me how proper care can really support plant growth. During the 5th week, small flower buds began to appear. This was an important stage because flowers are the first sign that the plant is preparing to produce beans. I became more careful with watering, making sure not to overwater. The plants looked healthy and ready for the next steps. In week 6, the flowers turned into tiny pods. These young bean pods slowly grew longer and thicker. Every day, I observed their development and protected them from pests. It was exciting to see the results of the past weeks of effort. By the 7th week, the bean pods were fully developed, firm, and ready to harvest. The pods had reached their full size, and the plant had completed its growth cycle. I carefully picked the mature beans and felt fulfilled, knowing that my patience and consistent care led to a successful harvest. That's all for today. Thanks for watching!